Okay, we're live. Welcome to the Node.js Community Benchmarking Working Group meeting for July 16th, 2018. I think we're going to have a relatively short meeting today, but we'll go through our standard agenda. So first of all, are there any announcements? So Gareth, you have any announcements for us?
Nope.
Okay, so I don't think there's any announcements. I don't have any announcements myself. Moving on to the things that have been tagged for the working group agenda. There's really just two issues that are currently tagged, and I think Udemy owns both of those, so I'm not sure it's worth going into either of them. I don't know if you have any info or details on those, Gareth?
No. I just clicked through them. I mean, the first one, the cached perf is lower. I think wasn't that one where there was supposed to be a fix. Actually, I suppose well, looking at the issue, actually, no, there doesn't appear to have been.
No, that was a different one. That was one of the other ones where there was a fix that came out in the security release. And that's why I couldn't really say too much about it in advance, but it came out and it seems to have restored the performance that we were seeing in Acme Air and so forth.
Well, both of those we seem to have. The only activity is it being tagged on a sort of agenda every few weeks. So
yeah,
I don't know if we need to do something to either sort of bring those back to life or to close them off.
I think we just need to talk to Udemy because I think he's still working those two.
Okay.
Has been a while though, so but yeah, I'll have to catch up with him, or next time hopefully we can catch up with him, and because I don't think that one's recovered itself. There is better. Yeah, we were higher at one point. Yes, no, still shows as being low. So, okay. Although now it almost shows so low that maybe I'm wondering if there's something wrong with the charts. Anyway, hopefully we can catch up with Udemy and see where he is at those. Were there any other things that you wanted to talk about?
Well, I've got an issue open for trying to summarize the amount of time that it takes for each of the micro benchmarks to run.
Yeah,
I've done a little bit of work on it, but it still needs a bit more to get it so we actually get the numbers out the other end. So that's something I'm carrying on. I was actually about to open Jenkins just to pull up a bit more info from the last time I ran the job, but it seems Jenkins is having a bit of an issue. I don't know if somebody's made a change, but
in terms of what?
You get a stack trace when you try and log in. I get a file not found exception for https api.github.com. So that doesn't sound too right.
Yes, I do see that is now not good. I'll have to.
Yeah.
Let's see. Just gonna check the RC channel.
Okay.
I know build. I don't see discussion there, but.
I assume it probably has happened quite recently.
Yeah, I'm gonna try logging in and see what happens. Is that even the same thing?
It just redirects you back, or at least redirects you back to the same stack trace.
Okay, so that's down, but you should, getting back to the specific issue we were talking about, I see I gave you access to a job. That's all been working okay, or?
Yeah, I created a job. It's just, it's a bit of a sort of a chicken in the egg. I didn't want to just kick it off, so it went and ran all the benchmarks because we already know it takes ages. So Yeah. At the moment, I've got it so I can go and set the particular sort of category or folder of benchmarks to run, and it will go and do that.
Okay.
And then I get some other statistics out the other end to go and try and go through later. It's just I need to, I don't know, spend some time to just go and kick them off once the other one's finished, as long as nobody else has queued any jobs to add the next one.
Okay. So sounds like you're making progress on that. That's good.
Yep.
Anything else we should talk about? We can look at the pull requests. It'd be great if you could go and look at the minutes for the last couple meetings.
Yep, would it?
Because I need at least one approval to close those out.
Okay, I'll do that now. Sorry, I must have missed that.
And I'm just seeing here if we've got anything else.
Strange. It might be something up with GitHub, maybe.
Yeah, definitely GitHub was down, so maybe more going on.
Yeah, I got a funny response. It's worked now, but
okay. So I guess anything else we should talk about this week?
I don't think so.
Might make it a short meeting. Do you want to add yourself into the minutes, which is here? So I'm going to paste in the chat.
Yeah, I've got the link from the issue, I think.
Okay, so I'm going to. I guess the other thing we should talk about, it would be good if we had more people, but I did open an issue for membership review.
Okay.
And I was just thinking we should really do this periodically for all the working groups, just to call out to people to make sure they still want to be active.
Yep.
So that's here. I'll paste that into the chat here. I'm actually going to sign that as on the benchmarking agenda for next time. So basically, I figure if I don't hear any, to the negative, probably send that out in the next week or so, just saying, hey, let's reconfirm people want to be active or not active. And it's fairly, it's fairly good. There's like an 8-week time period where you can just say, hey, no, I'm still active. So it's not like it'd be a surprise to anybody. Does that sound reasonable to you?
Yeah, that's fine. I've just put a comment in that.
Okay, sounds good. So I will also put that in our notes here. Review. Okay, I guess we could see on YouTube. Is there anybody who it says one watching? No. Now we'll see if anybody's watching and has any questions. We'll just give you a minute to ask questions. And then if that's it, then we'll close out.
Yep.
Okay, I don't see any questions. So thanks for attending, and I guess we'll see you next time.
Yep. Okay. Cheers.
Okay, thanks. Bye.